Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the hat. Not this hat, the hat. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the custom hat that I had made from blade hats. A lot of you have been asking about it. I've actually worn it in a couple of my videos and made a couple of shorts about it here and there. And it actually happens to be one of my most viewed shorts on the channel. So today I'm going to give you a little bit more detail about the hat, tell you a little bit about behind it, and tell you a little bit about the hat maker himself. So Blade Hats is a custom hat maker based out of Spain who's done all kinds of custom hats for such people as Marilyn Manson, Slipknot, Slash from Guns N' Roses. A lot of his designs are based off of like heavy metal and hard rock music. So this goes right up my alley, considering that's the music that I like and I've listened to, and I've been a musician playing that type of music all my life. So each hat is individually custom made from the finest materials such as beaver felt and rabbit felt. If you know anything about these materials, these are very expensive materials alone, not to mention the custom handcrafted quality that goes into each individual hat. All in all, it takes him about 3 days to custom make each individual hat, and if you want one of these custom hats, it's going to cost you. And he is in such demand that he has generally a 6 to 7 month average waiting list. So let me show you guys how this is actually shipped into you. You don't get it in just like a cardboard box. It's very top of the line here. Let's take a look. So here is how it is shipped into you. It is actually in a wooden box. This thing is solid pine, and it's got his trademark stamp on it. And you just slide it off here. And the first thing you're going to be greeted with is a certificate of authenticity. It tells you which number hat, I guess, that he's done and the date that it was made. Got his little stamp on it right here, so that's a pretty nice little touch. And this isn't an unboxing. I mean, I've already had this out several times, but it's going to come well packed, bubble wrapped and everything. And then you'll have paper here, and then the hat rests in here, and this is it. So from the get-go, you look at the his design from his logo is inside the hat. He's got blade hats, or he can put whatever you want on there and everything. And this one here, I had a custom Punisher skull made on this, and this is like the only one that he's done. I saw another hat that he had made for another individual, and I really liked the design with the studs and the spikes on the side. And at first I was wanting like the black and red. I figured it would look really good, and he insisted on doing it in like a white type of material here, the design along with the black, in order to fit the skull, the white on the skull. And I'm assuming that he painted this on top. And I mean, I kind of let him decide on what he wanted to do and ran with it. And this is what it turned out to be. Very nice quality. Let's get it on a stand so we can take a little bit more look at it. So pretty much he can come up with any kind of design that you want. He has several different styles on his website. But I wanted something unique because I am a huge Punisher fan. As you guys can see, I have a lot of Punisher stuff going on here. And he took it and ran with it. I mean, he made a very nice design, exactly what I wanted, like the other hat that I saw. And each piece is like well aged. He takes them and shapes them on his own. And he like burns them, I guess. And I guess he dips them in some sort of oil, lets them dry. But this is not a flimsy hat by any means. It's pretty sturdy. You just don't want to wear it in the rain or anything like that. But he does have a trademark on the skulls that he does on top. If you look at his website, he has a lot of different designs that have like open mouth skulls and closed mouth skulls. He actually has a copyright and trademark, whatever you want to call it, on that design. So no other company can actually do this. But he actually handcrafted all this, was all put in. He's got his little signature blade right here, the feather on it as well. And each piece is hand sewn. All of this onto there, the chain put on, all the sewing and everything. Everything is hand stitched. It's hand custom made. Nothing is just manufactured out of a factory or anything. He does this on his own, each individual hat. It's very well put together. Not flimsy at all, like I said. Now this is something that I won't wear out very often, but I'll wear occasionally in my videos. I just always was intrigued by hats. I've always liked hats my entire life, and I really like this one. I loved his designs. I'm actually going to get another design as well from him. It won't be Punisher based, but it'll be just as cool. And if you guys like this video here and you want me to do a review of the next one, then I will. But each stitch, each little thing on here, like from the logo just to the stitching right up here. Each time I look at this hat, I see new things that just really stand out to me. I mean, it's awesome. So how does he know your size? So you'll actually, when you order the hat, he'll get with you and you can he'll show you how to measure the rim of your head, and you send him the measurements and stuff, and he sizes it up to fit your head. So yeah, the hat fits absolutely perfect. It's not too tight on my head. It's not too loose or anything. Again, it's not something that I would wear out in public, but it's something to have fun with. It's a collectible, and it's art, man. I mean, it's the way he does these designs. Each individual hat is handcrafted and everything. I mean, just from everything from the top to the bottom is just a work of art. And yeah, I'm going to wear these in my videos. I think this is really cool. I'm going to get another one, probably something that I could wear out more. I love hats because I'm a bald-headed dude and I got to have something to cover up my noggin. But I just love custom hats and custom work and custom arts. And there's only one Blade hat. And I'm going to put a link in below in the description. You can go over, take a look at some of the designs. Follow him on his social media, and I'm sure he would appreciate all of the love and support and everything. And again, this isn't for everybody, but I thought this was really cool. I had to have one, and it's Punisher. So what more could you ask for, right? And I guess the 3D printing relation could be that I'm actually looking to have a custom stand designed for this so I can put it up in one of my DTOFs and keep it like as a collectible or whatever. But if you know anybody who is interested in, right now I'm using the Magneto helmet stand, but if you know anybody who can do some custom stands for something like this, hit me up in the comments. I'd be interested in talking with them. But yeah, I know a lot of people have been asking about this hat. Let's just do a little walk around with it, and you know, while we're ending the video, and everybody stay safe out there, get out and create something, print, prep, paint, repeat, or get a custom hat. And until the next video, everybody, we'll see you.